Deal with constipation with simple home remedies. Gradually, constipation has become a common problem in a sense that most of us almost think of it as routine. Nothing else but the modern day lifestyle is to be blamed to give rise to this condition. Some of the most common cause can be a junk food consumption, alcohol abuse, smoking and overeating. Constipation can be of different kinds. Occasional constipation, chronic constipation, travel-related or age-related constipation. Castor oil. A natural laxative castor oil derived from the castor bean can be taken orally to stimulate a bowel movement. Not only does this ancient oil lubricate the intestine, but it also causes the intestine to contract. Take castor oil as directed 1 to 2 teaspoons on an empty stomach. Allow up to 8 hours before a bowel movement occurs. Senna. Senna is an herb that utilizes the leaf, flower, and fruit of the cassia plant. It's been used for thousands of years as a natural laxative. Senna is a stimulant laxative that helps the digestive tract to contract. Often drunk as a tea, senna can be very effective and work within several hours after consumption. Aloe vera. Often used externally to soothe cuts and burns, you can also take aloe vera orally to soothe the digestive tract. Drink aloe vera juice plain or add it to smoothies or other beverages to help alleviate constipation and IBS. Coconut water. Drinking coconut water can be detoxifying and hydrating. It increases kidney function, increases and stimulates the digestive system. Magnesium is also naturally found in coconut water, which helps the muscles in the intestinal wall move fecal matter out of the body. Fennel. Fennel is a mild natural laxative. Roasted fennel can be added to warm water and drank in the evening. Fennel seeds increase gastric enzymes in the digestive system, helping stool move through the colon effectively.